In today's video, I'm going to do a pour with a lunch meat container. I've used this one quite a bit. As you can see, it is covered in paint. I haven't done one of these pours in a while, and I really want to do one again. I also haven't used this color palette in a while. I actually used to use these colors quite a bit when I was first starting out. I have white, metallic brown, beige, dark blue, and light blue. They're very nice colors and they complement each other well. I'm going to put each of my colors into my pouring container, and I kind of put them in a zigzag pattern so that they create some striations while I'm pouring them. And this is one technique that I use when I really want to try for a geode style pour, because you can get some really awesome lines of color throughout your painting. I'm just putting some of my white paint down for my base coat. I find that this helps the rest of my colors move well after I pour and start tilting them out. Once I have my paints in my container, I just use my palette knife and run through it, just to break up the colors a little bit to help create more striations. And then I just start gently pouring it onto my surface. I was originally planning on leaving some white negative space, but I ended up not liking the way it looked, so I used paint that was left over in my container, and after tilting a few times, I ended up filling up the entire canvas with paint. I really like the way that this one turned out. I think next time I would try and leave a little bit of negative space, but there are some portions of this that are really pretty. And this is one style that, like I said, I just haven't done in a while, and I may start doing a little bit more often with some different color palettes. I like the earthiness and the feeling of stones or gemstones almost that you can get with this style of painting. and just having like one metallic color in there really gives it a pop with something a little bit extra. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. I think next time I may do this with some purples. I've done it with light purple and the brown and the beige, and that looks really nice too. So I may pull those colors out again and do a similar piece. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I do put out 3 videos a week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.